In 2012, the Costa Concordia hit rocks off the Italian coast, killed 32 people, and cost $2 billion to salvage. The ship's captain had steered too close to shore to impress his friends. In 2013, the Carnival Triumph lost power in the Gulf of Mexico, leaving 4,000 passengers stranded for 5 days with overflowing toilets and no air conditioning, an incident that became infamous as the poop cruise. These weren't freak accidents. They were cascading failures of judgment, engineering, and corporate oversight that exposed just how badly things can go wrong when you put thousands of people on a floating city. Today, we're breaking down the 5 most catastrophic cruise disasters in modern history, measured not just in lives lost, but in the staggering financial and reputational damage that forced the industry to change. From capsized megaships to onboard disease outbreaks, these are the maritime nightmares that cost companies billions and rewrote the rulebook for passenger safety. In 2010 and 2013, Carnival faced 2 catastrophic engine room fires that redefined luxury for thousands of passengers. The Carnival Splendor fire left 4,500 people stranded without power or air conditioning, forcing the Navy to fly in rations. Just years later, the Carnival Triumph suffered a similar fate, but with a horrifying twist. Raw sewage backed up into passenger areas, earning it the infamous nickname, the poop cruise. These disasters highlighted a major flaw, the lack of backup power. For seniors who rely on CPAP machines or temperature-controlled cabins for health, these events were wake-up calls. In response, Carnival spent millions installing backup generators across their entire fleet to ensure that even in a fire, basic services stay running. But a fire is nothing compared to what happens when a billion-dollar ship actually hits the rocks. On January 13, 2012, the Costa Concordia hit an underwater rock after the captain steered too close to the island of Giglio. The ship capsized, leading to a tragic loss of life and a salvage operation that lasted 5 years. It remains the most expensive maritime disaster in history, with total costs, including victims' compensation and scrapping, estimated at $2 billion. This tragedy underscored the vital importance of the muster drill. Seniors should never treat these drills as a formality. Knowing exactly where your life jacket is and your quickest route to a lifeboat can save your life in the rare event of a sudden evacuation. Sometimes the disaster isn't just the ship, it's the crew abandoning their post. In 1991, the MTS Oceanos ran into a massive storm off the coast of South Africa. As the ship took on water and lost power, the passengers made a terrifying discovery. The bridge was empty. The captain and senior crew had abandoned the ship while hundreds of passengers were still on board. It was left to the ship's entertainers to broadcast the distress call and lead the rescue effort. While modern regulations make this scenario nearly impossible today, it's a reminder to always be aware of your surroundings. If something feels wrong, like a sudden loss of power or an unannounced tilt, trust your instincts and head toward public muster stations early. Before modern tech, fires at sea were almost always a total loss. Before continuing, a heartfelt thank you to Pamoja Safaris for their incredible support. Their expertise in creating unforgettable safari experiences across Africa has been truly remarkable, and those seeking adventure beyond the seas will find exceptional care and authentic experiences with their team. In 1934, the luxury liner SS Morro Castle caught fire just off the coast of New Jersey. The tragedy was compounded by the fact that the captain had died suddenly just hours before the fire broke out. Between the storm, the choppy water, and the lack of leadership, 137 people lost their lives. The ship eventually ran aground as a burnt-out shell, costing over $4 million in 1934 dollars. This disaster led to strict new fire safety regulations, including the mandatory use of fire-retardant materials and automatic fire doors. Today's senior travelers benefit from these rules every time they step into a modern, fire-resistant cabin. Finally, we look at the one disaster everyone knows, the one that changed everything. The Titanic remains the most famous disaster of all time. When it struck an iceberg in 1912, it took over 2 hours to sink. Ironically, a lifeboat drill scheduled for that very day had been canceled by the captain. The lack of lifeboats and training led to the deaths of the majority of those on board. The Titanic is the reason we have the SOLAS, or Safety of Life at Sea, treaty today. It guaranteed that every person on a ship has a reserved spot in a lifeboat. For seniors, the legacy of the Titanic is the peace of mind that safety is now the law, not an afterthought. These billion-dollar disasters were tragic, but they forced the cruise industry to evolve. From mandatory backup generators to high-tech satellite navigation, your cruise today is built on the lessons learned from these historic failures. Being a savvy traveler means respecting the sea and always paying attention during that first day safety briefing.